Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about RO weight loss program. Okay, so you should join their treatment or not, and how much money you have to pay. Does it really give you results are temporary or permanent? So in this video we will cover lots of information. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, as you know, Roman or RO is the very popular brand, and they have different kinds of medications, and they are providing lots of, you can say, like medication treatments and all. Okay, so this is their one more product that is like weight loss. Okay, and they are providing membership, you can say, like a program. So if you are going to use any weight loss program, if you are going to use you can say like product for one time purchase only, it will really expensive. Okay, like the costing, it depends on brand to brand. And if we talk about this brand RO is providing you the same kind of things. If you are going to buy the membership, then you need to pay some kind of amount like $199 to $299 if you choose like semaglutide. Okay, if you choose like trizeptide, then you need to pay like $399 to $499 per month, because this cost is only for first month, and after that you need to pay this kind of amount. Okay, so if you can afford this much amount, then you can try it. Okay, and if you are not able to afford this kind of treatment, then you are not you can say you should not use this kind of treatment, because the treatment is really expensive, and treatment will not give you results instantly. It will take approx like 1-2 months or 3 months. In some cases it will take approx like 4 to 6 months. So it depends on person to person also. So the treatment is really expensive. Okay, this is the first thing. Now when you buy any treatment on this platform, you need to check their return and refund policy. If you face any kind of problem, if you face any kind of side effects, in that case, what are the refund policy, what are the, you can say like return policy. So you need to clear each and everything before taking any kind of treatment. Okay, so now if we talk about like which is the best treatment, so according to our research, trizeptide is the best option. According to our research, but this is not recommended. You need to consult your doctor at least once before taking any kind of medication. They will guide you according to your health, they will guide you according to your body condition, they will guide you according to your goals. So there are so many, you can say, like factors behind your treatment, which type of treatment you should take. Okay, so these are the things. Now if we talk about you should buy treatment or not, yes, definitely you can buy, but keep something in your mind: all the treatment are in the form of membership, and if you join their membership, then you need to pay lots of amount, and you need to keep something in your mind, that is like return and refund policy. Please consult this thing with their, you can say, like customer support. Okay, so these are the things. Now if we talk about you should buy, yes, definitely you can buy, and before you can, without doctor consultation, you should not use any treatment. Okay, so this is the thing. Now thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.